Google offers Stadia controller, Chromecast in $100 bundle. Man, you show me this controller. I got a picture last night sent to me from my house. I wasn't home. And my dog had taken a PlayStation 5 controller and completely chewed off both of the thumbsticks. And I was wondering about you. It made me think of you because you've had, you had Otis obviously chews everything, or he has in the past. And I was wondering about your emotional status when things like that happen.
Like my personal stuff or stuff that he's not supposed to chew.
No,
right?
I'm just saying, like, if this is you, your will, you are will do, and you come home, right? And Otis was in there by himself for a little while, and you see the PlayStation 5 controller, and both thumbsticks are chewed off.
Okay.
What is your emotional state?
Well, yeah, you got to be truthful and say definitely irate.
Because
why?
In that moment, I just pictured you for some reason, because I felt like you probably had a similar experience recently, and maybe because they're both similar dogs, I was just like, it's kind of
power
hard.
chewers.
Yeah, it's just kind of, it's also hard to, and I don't know,
But there's nothing you can do at that point. You just be mad, and it's like it's over. It's like what can you do?
Oh man, I'll show you.
But it sucks.
I'll show you the photo later.
It would suck.
I'll show you the photo later. But it is the feeling of why that?
Yeah.
You could chew anything. Like, why did it have to be that? I don't even know where it was left or how she got it, and why the thumbsticks were so interesting, but probably the rubber or whatever it happens to be on there. And I was gone all day, so I'm sure she was bored, but man, what a feeling. And I'm sure other people can relate to it. It's such a weird feeling of not knowing how to react. Anyway, this story is about Stadia, the Stadia controller, and they continue to try to make it attractive to people by bundling it together. The Play and Watch bundle will give you the Stadia controller, a Chromecast with Google TV for $100. It'll save you $20 compared to buying the gamepad and the dongle separately. So they're going to take the crowd that's already thinking about getting a Chromecast and be like, why don't you just get the controller just in case? We'll give you some savings on that. And maybe you end up becoming a Stadia subscriber in the long term and playing some of these games. My last experience goofing around with Stadia was with Cyberpunk, and it works well.
Yeah, it did.
So I was cool with it. That's about as much as I can say on it because I haven't been gaming all that much, but I can definitely give you that much.